calamity of life. When calamities strike, our first instinct is usually to escape from the immediate danger and seek safety. However, in some cases, our attempts to escape can lead us into even more dire situations. This can be likened to jumping from the frying pan and landing right into the fire. While we may be able to avoid the initial danger, we may find ourselves in a more dangerous or challenging situation that we were not prepared for. During a natural disaster like a hurricane or earthquake, people may flee their homes only to find themselves stranded and without access to food or water. It is important to remain vigilant and evaluate all options before making any moves, as sometimes the perceived solution may actually be worse than the original problem. Oh my brothers.